So this is the 137 property that Henry's working on. These are all from Morocco. All the
Please switch on all the lamps. Why is
I
it
did.
switched off again?
Well,
It's on now. Okay.
alright.
This is ugly. Why is this here? Okay.
I'll talk to your manager. Look at this. Wow, I love this orange and white thing, this box. That's beautiful. Look at that artwork. Look at that geometry right there. And we got some things going on. Wow, big screen television. You guys get a good look at that door here. This is nice wool. Everything's been remodeled and done top level.
This is not ugly.
Well, the door is locked. There's an apartment upstairs too.
Sube un olor.
It's locked upstairs.
Ai, eso no debería haberlo hecho. Tiré el plete del baño. No debería haberlo hecho.
Blue, orange, brown. Your aloe veras look beautiful upstairs. Oh yeah, there's a spiritual, I forget the name of that. Wow, nice blender, man. Holy mackerel.
Wow, good cocina.
God, the size of that blender, man. Got the knives. We need these for terroir also. Some good inox scissors. And God, there's just so much to see. That's a huge water heater. Let's see if Henry's up on the roof yet. No? Anyway. Are you gonna open the top? You're gonna build
Yeah,
here.
let's I need to think where to put this freaking. This is not finished. But this has to be. I need to know where to put this cover because it's the metallic cover.
I'm really impressed with those ceramics, bro. Amazing selection.
I want more. I want them all
About this spacing.
together. No, totally.
Right up on 1 millimeter, huh?
Really being totally.
Not 1 millimeter?
No, I want if there
Okay.
are ants, that the ants can walk, or insects, or cockroaches. So they have a bigger biosphere.
We're gonna get some kind of cheap but nice quality for terroir. Just a couple stuff for the balcony made out of wood. And there's even another room here that's under construction. There's a bedroom in here, and there's another office in here. So lots of options, and the Jiu-Jitsu Academy is right around the corner. So this is just yet another opportunity that's opening up.
Esto es España y el trasfondo es cristiano. Punto. Y por eso yo puse a este Jesús.